vegan sugar cookies are crispy and delicious, and they are super easy to make. Merry Vlogmas and welcome to Cake Mom. On this channel, I share with you guys some healthier ways to make your favorite treats, including gluten-free and vegan recipes. For these cookies, you will need all-purpose flour, vegan butter, granulated sugar, aquafaba, baking powder, salt, and vanilla extract. I'm going to start by creaming together the butter and the sugar, and then go ahead and add the aquafaba into that as well. Next, I'm going to add the pure vanilla extract. I'm going to go ahead and combine the flour, baking powder, and salt in a separate bowl before adding it into the mixer at this point. Alright, so I'm just going to give that a quick mix until the dough forms. Once it's formed, I'm going to go ahead and stop mixing because I don't want to overwork the dough. Then I won't have a nice, soft, crumbly cookie. Now we're just gonna flatten this into a disc and wrap it up in plastic wrap and throw it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Okay, so our cookie dough has chilled and now we're going to roll out and cut out our cookies. I'm going to roll this out to about 1/4 of an inch thickness, and I'm going to definitely need to add flour because vegan butter softens pretty fast and you don't want your cookies to stick to your board. You really do need to move fast on this one because if the vegan butter softens too much, you have to take it back in the freezer before you can finish your cookies. Okay, so for our cookie frosting, we're gonna make a vegan royal frosting. You really just need 3 ingredients: powdered sugar, aquafaba, and some vanilla extract or whatever flavor you like. And the consistency is actually up to interpretation. So if you want a runnier icing, you add more aquafaba. If you want a thicker icing, you add more powdered sugar and just go for it. Whatever you think looks right. Okay, so I'm gonna go for a kind of tie-dye pattern dip cookie. So I'm gonna dye this frosting in a couple different colors, drizzle it on over there. Let's go. These vegan sugar cookies are crispy and delicious, and they are super easy to make. They are the perfect addition for your cookie boxes this year. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Question of the day: have you ever tried dipping your cookies in the icing? Let me know down in the comments below. It's super easy and fun. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.